initial thoughts. A lot of vibration goes through the car now, even at idle. What's going on YouTube? We're back again, and this time we're going to be changing my gearbox mount for a solid gearbox mount. So stay tuned and let's get into this. So the purpose of this solid gearbox mount is to reduce torque loss that is through the bushes in the gearbox mount. So with this there, it will be solid and not be able to flex forwards and backwards. Right, we've now got the old gearbox mount out. So, let's show a quick side-to-side comparison. As we can see, this has got a massive bush in it on this side, which flexes like that. And at the bottom here, we've got this one, which gives a bit of flexing movement as well, but that's more solid. This has no bushes in it at all, so the only thing that this will do is bend under pressure. So let's go ahead and get this in now and then see how the car drives. Right, this doesn't move freely, so I need to get it in position and then tighten it up. All right, cool. in. just need to tighten it all up. 3 little bolts, I'm sorry. Oh, sorry, not sorry. Anyway, okay, new mount's in. Just need to tighten that up. I forgot to tighten that up. Actually, no, I meant to do that last anyway. I'm gonna have to do it the old fashioned way. Can I speed this up? Oh yeah, I can actually. That'll do. Now let's go for a drive. Initial thoughts. A lot of vibration goes through the car now, even at idle. Now the mount will signal. Vibration. That bottom mount absorbed a lot. My gosh. Get used to this vibration now. But that bottom mount was very soft. I could bend it easily by hand. So this being a solid beam now, there's probably no giving in at all. I doubt it even bends. This is not going to be good for road trips. Every time I put my foot down, it's like there's an earthquake happening in the car. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, then please like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok under that Silver Aygo. And I'll see you guys in the next video.